Which of the following reagents cannot be used to distinguish hexanal and 2-hexanone? Now let us write the structure of hexanal and 2-hexanone. This compound is hexanal. Now what is 2-hexanone? This is 2-hexanone. Now let us see the question there. Which of the following reagents cannot be used to distinguish between hexanal and 2-hexanone? What is the first reagent? Tollens reagent. Ammonical solution of silver nitrate is Tollens reagent. Aldehydes give silver mirror with Tollens reagent, ketones do not give. Aldehydes reduce Tollens reagent, ketones do not reduce Tollens reagent. So the first reaction, Tollens reagent, cannot be used. They asked which cannot be used, but Tollens reagent can be used. So first option ruled out. The second option is bromine in CCl4. Bromine in CCl4 is used as a test for unsaturation. C double bond C. If there is unsaturation in the compound, bromine in CCl4 can be used. Means unsaturated compounds decolorize bromine in CCl4, saturated compounds do not. So bromine CCl4 can be used only to distinguish saturated compounds from unsaturated compounds, not for aldehydes and ketones. Here both hexanal and hexanone are saturated compounds, so they do not decolorize bromine in CCl4. So Br2 in CCl4 cannot be used to distinguish hexanal and 2-hexanone. Now third reaction is iodine in sodium hydroxide, means it is iodoform reaction. Iodoform reaction, methyl ketones, aldehydes and ketones containing CH3C double bond O group will give yellow precipitate when treated with iodine and sodium hydroxide. Iodoform reaction is given by aldehydes and ketones having CH3C double bond O group. So CH3C double bond O group is there in 2-hexanone but not in hexanol. So iodoform reaction is given by hexanone but not hexanal. Means iodine and sodium hydroxide can be used to distinguish between these two compounds. But they asked which cannot be distinguished, cannot be used to distinguish. Means iodoform reaction is wrong. So again I am repeating, iodoform reaction is used to distinguish, can be used to distinguish hexanol and 2-hexanone, because 2-hexanone is methyl ketone. Methyl ketone gives iodoform test, whereas hexanol do not give iodoform test. Now let us see Fehling solution. Cupric ion complexed with sodium potassium tartrate is Fehling solution. Aldehydes give red precipitate with Fehling solution, ketones do not give. Means here I can use Fehling's reagent or Fehling solution to distinguish hexanol from hexanone. But what they asked, which cannot be used. So bromine in CCl4 cannot be used to distinguish aldehydes from ketones. It is used only to distinguish saturated compounds from unsaturated compounds.